Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can create a PayPal account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go to your browser and search for PayPal. You can find this link in the description down below. Then click on the first link. Now click on sign up. Then choose your type of account. You can choose personal or business. In my case, I want to choose personal, so click on personal and click on get started. Now insert your email address and click on next. It will ask you to enter your phone number and click on next. Now create your password and click next. Now it will ask you your personal information, your nationality, your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. After you fill all this blank space, click on next. Now enter your address. Now click on this checkbox and finally click on agree and create account. Now it will ask you why you want to create this account. You can choose shop with PayPal or send payment. For now, let's just skip this part. Now it will ask you to add your card. It can be MasterCard or Visa card. So enter your card information and click on link card. Then finally, they will send you a verification code to your email account. So enter your verification code on this boxes. Now, as you can see, you can successfully create your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.